Hi, it's Reed, and welcome to Atlantis Fitness and Pilates, where I post free workout videos every week. As always, there'll be timestamps in the description below because I know how valuable your time is and you already know why you're here. So let's get started. So last week we worked on our abs. This week we're gonna work on our back and our arms. So to get started, let's first put on 3 red springs. And then we're gonna come to seated facing the top of the reformer. So hips down against the bottom edge of your carriage, legs through your shoulder blocks. We're gonna reach forward and grab both straps, crossing them over. So you'll have the left strap in your right hand, right strap in your left hand. We're gonna start out doing a little bit of heavy back work today. As always, I want a nice tall spine and I want you to brace those abdominals. Again, everything starts with our abs engaged. On your exhale, you're gonna pull back, palm up to your waist, and then palm down as you reach forward. So big exhale, pull back, palm up, palm down as you reach forward. And really think about driving the elbows and the heads of your shoulders, the top of your shoulder back, squeezing everything back towards your spine. Three more here. Last one. And reach forward. You can go into a little forward fold for a moment to release the shoulders, give your head a little wiggle. And then we're gonna go down and spring for our next exercise. So I want you to take off one of those reds and then put on the blue. Doesn't matter which red, any red spring, but you should be on 2 reds and 1 blue now. Our handles are still crossed. Again, create that nice tall spine, brace those abdominals. This time, palm down, we're gonna pull our thumbs towards our shoulders, elbows nice and wide, and then reach forward. And again, notice as I pull back, I'm squeezing my elbows back, the heads of my shoulders back. And also watch out here that you're not bending your wrist like this. We don't want any, what I call little chicken wings. We want those elbows out nice and wide, flat wrist. One more. And reach forward. Good. So now we can uncross our straps, place them down on their proper pegs. We're gonna go down and spring again. So take off that blue. You should be on 2 reds now. We're gonna grab our left strap and bring it over to our right hand. Again, I want nice tall spine. And place your left hand on your belly. This will be kind of like a tactile cue to remember you to keep that core nice and strong. We're gonna go back to that first exercise, but just a single arm variation. So on your exhale, pull back, palm up to your waist, palm down as you reach forward. Again, drive the elbow back, squeeze those abs in so that your spine is perfectly still. Three more. Last one. Beautiful. Reach forward. Let's place that strap down and we'll switch sides. So grab that right strap, bring it over to your left hand this time. Again, nice tall spine, brace those abs, When you're ready, pull back, palm up to your waist, palm down as you reach forward. Three more on this side. And last one. Excellent. Reach forward. Let's go into a little forward fold again for a moment. Give those shoulders a little roll, head a little wiggle side to side. All right. So we're going to sit up again and go down in our spring. Take off another red and put that blue back on. So you should be on one red and one blue this time. Again, we're going to grab that left strap and cross it over to your right hand. Nice tall spine, brace that core. This time, palm down for a single arm delt pull or delt row. And again, I'm keeping my hand palm down the entire time, making sure that wrist stays nice and flat as I pull back. Three more. Last one. Beautiful. Reach forward. Let's place that strap down, and again, we'll switch sides. Right strap over to your left hand, right hand on your belly. Nice tall spine, and then palm down, thumb to that shoulder, or as close as you can get it. Really think about squeezing that elbow back and pulling that shoulder blade back towards your spine as you do. One more. And reach forward. Excellent. Again, let's just go into a little forward fold. Give that head a little roll, shoulders a little roll. All right, we've got one more exercise we're doing here today. So let's take off that blue. We're down to just one red, and we're coming into bicep curls. So for your bicep curls, we're gonna want our elbows up at chest height. But I notice sometimes, especially if you have a little bit of tight hamstrings or a tight back, we'll slouch here. So if you feel yourself slouching, two things: either bend your knees more so you can sit up tall, or you can lean back here some. Just keep that core engaged, whichever you prefer. But both straps in our hands, elbows up to chest height, nice and slow. Curl those handles all the way in, and then resist the spring as you reach forward. So again, I'm curling, doing the work here, and then I'm also working that release. I'm not just letting my hands be pulled forward like this, releasing. Again, I went nice and slow through that full range of motion. Last one. Beautiful. Reach forward. Again, place those straps down, roll the shoulders, give your head a little wiggle side to side. All right, so now that you've done that workout, again, we hit into our back really good, our back and shoulders and arms. You could always go through it an extra time or go back to one of the previous weeks. Go back and hit your abs and your legs again. And then next week we'll work on our upper body, hitting into our chest, and again, a little bit into our arms and shoulders. But that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video and you're still watching, comment biceps below, and I will see you guys next time.